So if I'm a driver and I get into an accident, what are my steps? How do you engage typically with these drivers?
Well, there's two things to think about. One is general accident advice, and two is if you're injured. In every accident scene, you want to call the police right away to make a report. The police report is really the most important piece of evidence in your case because it happens at the scene or soon thereafter. You're documenting, what happened, the parties who were involved, what the vehicles looked like. You're getting passenger contact information, which can sometimes be really difficult to find after the fact. So that needs to be step one.
So is there anything that I guess that's what happens once you get in the accident. Is there anything drivers do beforehand? What have you seen? Like, what's sort of the number one or two recommendations? I know we've always told drivers they should get a dash cam and I guess proper insurance too. I'm assuming those are helpful. I'm curious to know if it is a must get or not.
That's it. When you drive for Uber or Lyft or any other rideshare company, you need to understand that you're an entrepreneur. You own your own business and you need to ensure that you protect that business. The first thing is making sure that you get that rideshare endorsement. That's going to do a couple things for you. One, it's going to fill gaps that the Uber and Lyft insurance policies have in terms of property damage coverage. There's high deductibles on both those policies. Sometimes they don't provide uninsured motorists. So if somebody hits you and flees the scene, or if somebody hits you that doesn't have insurance, your rideshare endorsement is going to come in and make sure that you're properly covered and protected. And number two, what you hit on is the dash cam. That's an insurance policy in and of itself. So we see cases in which there's discrepancy as to how an accident happened. The dash cam is submitted to the insurance company and the camera doesn't lie. So it confirms your version of the events. It's going to help you prove your claim. If there happens to be a false accusation against you, it's going to confirm that as well. So when we talk about what do you need to do, it's insurance, and it means policies, and it means dash cams.